Guys, have you ever had any problem with your spacebar? Here in this video you will find a solution. We are talking about spacebar problem on your MacBook Pro, Mac Studio, wherever. So the issue when you just, for example, try to write something or you use any program and your spacebar or some keys doesn't work relevant on your keyboard, the problem is with your keyboard settings. For example, normally when you click on screenshot and you click spacebar, you should see what? A preview. But now in this case you can see nothing. So to resolve it, let's go to the Apple icon on your top left corner. Let's go to the system settings. Here on the left side you need to find accessibility button. When you see that, let's go to the keyboard, and here full keyboard access should be switched off. Close that. That's it. Click on the file. Let's click on the spacebar and you have the preview, right? The problem is solved. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.